Hello, thank you for watching MTP Television. My name is Senat and I would like to welcome you for our free sign language session on our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our channels and then leave your comments, your suggestions, and then recommendations over there. We will surely get back to you and then assess the information you have given out. Thank you once again and then welcome to our sign language class. Thank you. Good morning. Please, this is how to sign good. This is good. You move the dominant hand from the mouth to the non-dominant hand. Good, good. And this is morning, morning. So you sign good morning, good morning. Fine. So this is how are you. You form L hand shape with a dominant hand, and then you form flat hand shape with a non-dominant hand. Then you move it this way. How are you? How are you? So L hand shape, you place it in the non-dominant hand, you move it this way. How are you? How are you? Then you say I'm fine. You form flat hand shape with the dominant hand, then you go this way. I'm fine. I'm fine. Or you can say I'm well. I'm good. I'm good. Okay. Fine. So today or now, day. This is how to sign day. You form D hand shape with the dominant hand, then you move it this way. Day. Day. Or you can sign flat hand shape. Day. Day. So you say now day becomes today. So now day. We are coming to learn the alphabet in sign language. This is sign language and this is the alphabet. Very good. So now we are coming to learn. This is how to sign learn. You form flat hand shape with a non-dominant hand, then you pick it out from the non-dominant hand to the head. It becomes learn, learn, learn. Fine. So let's start with A. The first alphabet is A. This is how to sign it. You place the thumb closer to the index finger whilst they have been bent down. This is A. A. Very good. A. Let's move on. The next one is B. B. You put up the other hands and then you place the thumb in the palm of the dominant hand. So you use one hand to sign, that is B. But I want everybody to see, that's why I'm using both hands. This is B. B. The next one is C. C. You form curved hand shape with the dominant hand. That's how we go. C. C. Please, the position of the hand is very important. If you are signing the alphabet, you cannot hang the hand. Is that right? You have to put it this way. It should be above from the head to the bust. You get it? A. So this is what we sign B. Let's move on to the next one, that is C. Okay, let's continue. So we have D. You put a dominant, the index finger up, and then you add the other fingers together. It becomes D. 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 The next word is E. We have close E. We have open E. So if you are finding difficulties bending the fingers, and you can sign open E, or you can sign close E. This is E. The next one is F. F. You go it this way. You bend the index finger and then the thumb, and then you put the other fingers up. That is it. F. 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 The next one is G or G. Yeah, you go it this way. You put the index finger up and then the thumb also this way. So it becomes G. 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 The next word is. The next alphabet is H. H. You straighten the index finger and then the middle finger this way. It becomes H, or you can sign H like this. H. H. The next one is I. You put a small finger up. It becomes I. 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 The next one is J. With an I hand shape, you move it this way. It becomes J. You draw it as you are drawing J, or you are writing J. So you move it this way. J. J. As you can see from the screen, you see where the arrow is moving from? Yes. So you move the little finger this way, it becomes J. J. The next one is K. K. You point the index finger and then the middle finger up, and then you place the thumb in between the two fingers. It becomes K. K. As you can see from the screen, yeah, the index finger and then the middle finger, and then the thumb is in between. Yeah, so it goes this way. K. 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 That is it. The next one is L. L. This is how it goes. As you can see from the normal writings, you can see that L goes this way, so it forms with hand L. L. The next one is M. You place the thumb in between the little finger and then the other finger. You go it this way, so it becomes M. M, as you can see from the screen. But we have open M, we have close M. So if you cannot sign the close M due to flexibility of the hand, you move it this way. It becomes open M or close M. Everything is accepted. Very good. The next one is N. The N, the thumb is placed in between the other finger and then the middle finger. As with the M, we place the thumb in between the little finger and then the other finger. Like this, we becomes M. Now we are moving on to N, whereby you place the thumb in between the other finger and then the middle finger. So it becomes N. And so N, we have close M, we have open M. You can sign it either way, is accepted. Thank you. Let's move on to the next word. The next one is O. O. O, you form O this way, or you can form O this way. O. O. Very good. The next one is P. It is like you forming the K hand shape, then you turn it downwards, it becomes P. You form the K hand shape, then you turn it downwards, it becomes P. P. That is it. P. P. The next one is Q. You point the thumb and then the index finger downwards. This way it becomes Q. 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 Very good. The next one I'm moving on is R. You place the index finger in front of the middle finger. So you go this way. R. R. Very good. R. The next alphabet is S. You place the thumb on top of the other fingers. And it's like you are forming a blow hand shape. Blow as in fight. And so as you can see over there, the thumb is on top of the other fingers. Thank you. That is S. S. The other alphabet is T. Over here you place the thumb in between the middle finger and then the index finger. You go this way, so it becomes T. 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 The next one is U. You put the index finger and then the middle finger together, so it becomes U. 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 The next one is V. You open the index finger and then the middle finger this way. V. V. The next one is W. W, you put up the index finger, the middle finger, and then the other finger this way. So it becomes W. Yes, W. Very good. W. The next one is X. You bend the index finger this way. So it becomes X. X, just the index finger, you bend it this way. It becomes X. The next one is Y. You open up the thumb and then the little finger this way. It becomes Y. Y. Y hand shape. Y. The next one I'm moving on to is Z. You point out the index finger and then move it in the direction of Z, as in you are writing Z. 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 Okay, thank you. Thank you. Please, this is thank you. You form flat hand shape with both hands, you move it away from the mouth. Thank you. Thank you. Please, in our next lesson, we are going to learn how to sign some concepts and then the alphabets, and then the hand position is also very important. We are going to learn it. And then again, this is again, you form bent hand shape with the dominant hand, you move it this way. Again. And then again, we will learn the parameters of signing. These parameters of signing is going to help us to do sign language without and then we will also be able to discriminate between some sign concepts also. Yes, with the help of the parameters of sign. Okay, so as we have done learning the alphabets, we want to practice. Please, this is practice. You form K hand shape with both hands, then move it this way. Practice. 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 Okay, so let's start with alphabets. This is A hand shape. A. B. This is B. This is C. C hand shape. This is D. D. This is E. I say you can sign close E, you can sign open E. Any of them is accepted. This is E. This is F. F. F hand shape. This is G. G hand shape. This is H. H, you can go H this way. H. This is I. 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 Then you move it downwards, it becomes J. I, J, and this is K. 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 L handshake. This is L. This is M handshake. We have close M, we have open M. Any of them you sign is accepted. Then this is N handshake too. We have close N, we have open N. Any of them you sign is accepted. Then we have O. This is how to sign O. You see how you sign it this way or you go it this way. O. Now you move on to P. P, as you sign K, you move it downwards, it becomes P. As you have signed a K, you move it downwards, it becomes P. And this is Q. This is R. This is S. This is T. This is U. This is V. This is W. This is X. This is Y. This is how to sign Y handshake. And this is Z. This is how to sign Z. Okay, so fine. I'm coming to spell my name. This is how to sign name. You form flat handshake or H handshake with both hands. Then you move it this way. Name. So thank you for this season. Thank you. Yeah.
Media the project, MTP TV, bringing the world closer to you.